You ever felt bad for not knowing how to speak English? Do you wonder how others speak so fluently? Today I want to share with you the important 5 steps to learn or improve your English fluency, the 5 absolutely main things that you should do in order to master the English language. Does that sound interesting? Let's hop into it. Step number 1, it's actually simple, and that is why I don't care. Yeah, that's right, just don't care. Speak whenever, wherever and however. Forget how people would judge, forget how people would think of you, all these stuffs doesn't matter, just speak as much as you could. If they don't understand, say it again. Yet, if they don't understand, rephrase it, say it again, you just keep saying it. Because that is how you would get comfortable. If you are always thinking about, oh, I'm not sounding smart, or they would misunderstand what I'm saying, or they wouldn't understand, or I'll look stupid, all these things hold back you learning the language. So don't care at all. Speak more. Never give up. Step number 2, take a book, any book, but a simple book, and read it out loud, word by word, paragraph by paragraph. And that's a very good way to learn the language. Because there may be certain parts, or precisely speaking certain words, where you would have difficulty pronouncing them, or certain chunks of words you end up saying it again and again, or maybe there are certain words you don't understand and you would refer to a dictionary. These simple yet useful steps would enhance your vocabulary and hence your English language. When you finish one book, you might as well pick something that you are interested in. For example, if you're interested in investing or success, or motivation, or sales, pick a book which would be close to your heart, that would eventually spark that interest, leading to better improvement in your English language skills, be it vocabulary, grammar, or fluency in speaking. Pick your book and then read it out loud every single day. Allocate at least 20 minutes per day to read, maybe even 30 minutes, but make it a damn habit to do it every day. Step 3, while reading you may come across certain words that you don't understand. Take one word at a time, basically, which means just try to learn one new word per day. Try Google and find out exactly what the word exactly means. So, every single day pick a new word that you've never heard of before, you've never used before, and learn it to blend it in your sentences, whether it is writing or speaking. If you've done this every single day, that's 365 words a year, 365 new words that you could add to your vocabulary that you could use in the future. Step 4 is immersion. You have to immerse yourself into the language. Listen to some motivational speeches, debates and other public talks. Once you do it for a few weeks, make your own talk and prepare all the notes you needed to your talk. Take at least a week to prepare it and then simply go in front of the mirror and imagine you're giving a public speech for an audience of around 1,000 students. Present it with a smile, portray simple gestures or actions, and remember, always be 100% confident, even if you know that your English isn't yet perfect. From there onwards, begin to write your own stories, at least short stories. It really doesn't matter if the grammar is wrong or the story isn't interesting, as long as you stick to write something regularly. As I told you in step 1, just don't give a damn. Write. Keep on writing. After you have completed your 5th story, just revisit your first story and do all the changes that you feel like needs rectification. Likewise, go to the 2nd and 3rd story until you reach the last one. While you are in this step, you might find many things incorrect, and you may correct it by yourself. After completing every story, present it in front of the mirror with confidence and simple gestures. Step 5, summary. Try to talk as much as possible and never forget to listen. When someone is talking to you, give your fullest to understand it, listen carefully. Surround yourself with the ones who speak English fluently and present them your stories and talks with 100% confident. Share your books to them and borrow theirs and have a discussion about the books and other interesting stuffs. I hope when you follow these steps without any compromises, you'll be able to speak, write and understand English at least, let's say 50%. Don't give up, keep reading, keep writing and keep presenting, at least to yourself. Involve yourself in debates to become a pro. That's it from us. If you guys found this video informative, please give it a like down below and share it with your friends. If you have any queries or feedback, drop it on the comment section. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.